Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be replacing the LCD cover on the DELL VOSTRO 3520. This process requires specific tools and careful handling to ensure your laptop is restored to its optimal condition. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. 1. A Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. 2. A plastic pry tool. 3. A clean microfiber cloth for interior cleaning. 4. Replacement LCD cover for DELL VOSTRO 3520. Begin by powering down your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter and remove any peripherals. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. There are usually 4 to 6 screws, depending on your specific model. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic pry tool to lift the back panel off. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage any clips. Inside, you should see the battery and other internal components. If you notice any dust or debris, now is a great time to clean the interior with your microfiber cloth. After cleaning, locate the LCD assembly. You will need to detach the old LCD cover. This usually involves removing screws that hold the cover in place. Be sure to take note of where each screw goes for reassembly. Carefully pry the old LCD cover away from the assembly. If it feels stuck, check again for any screws that may have been missed. It's important to be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the LCD assembly. Press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws that you previously removed, securing the new cover tightly. If you encounter any issues during this process or don't feel comfortable performing the repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great option if you're unsure about your ability to complete the task. Once the cover is secured, place the back panel back onto the laptop. Align it correctly and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not over-torqued. Finally, flip the laptop over and reconnect the power adapter. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the LCD display for any issues. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the LCD cover. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. And if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that too, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision about your repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.